you are doing one of the biggest mistakes by not giving your child a credit card. Right now, you must be thinking, what an absurd thing it is to say or even to think. Now, the thing is, this is how you have been brought up by your parents, and so their mindset about the credit card and money is in you right now. Have you heard about the saying, the more you run away from your problems, the bigger they become? Now, money management is one of the rarest skills that I see today. Do you know why? Because you have been running away from the problems long enough, and when the time comes to confront it, you deal with it the best way you can. Now, I urge you not to make your child go through the same thing that you have, because Einstein once said, it is insanity to expect a different result by doing the same thing over and over. Now, you must be thinking how to go about it. What you need are these 4 simple things to keep in mind. The first is giving your child a secondary credit card with a controlled credit limit. Second, you should monitor these transactions on a month-on-month basis. Third, you need to teach your child how to make better decisions with money month by month. And fourth, and most importantly, if you are ever in doubt, don't forget to ask the wise guy.